Talking to myself, day 8. So now I want to go home after I go did after I did all of my major studies for the day. So maybe it's the first time that I record my training lesson training for my speaking after I done my college. But because I have time when I I go to my home, there are a lot of time that I can use, so I will use it for talking to myself again. Expecting a lot of the change that will happen to me after I do daily routine training for English.
Oh iya.
Oke, Pak. Nyew. It's quite uncommon because today there are a lot of rain that's happening in our region, especially in Nangor when I do my major study. It rains so hard for few hours that makes me worry that if there will be a major lesson for today or it will be an online lesson. And I really hope that this will not make a lot of chaos because the teacher is strict than the other teacher. But for now, just now, I did my lesson really well. I don't get reprimanded. Even I use sandal in the major classroom as exception because the rain is really hot today, and the rain will make you feel that you don't want to go anywhere besides the shelter because the rain is really hard and it will make you have a hard time when you are riding some vehicles such as motorcycle, cycle, car, and etc. And it lasts for a few hours. It lasts for a few hours. And maybe because of that, the condition, the climate that affect our body, especially to myself, it's still more colder rather than before, and the sensation is really same. The cold is as cold when you wake up at the dawn and walking to outside of your room. It is really cold and will make you trembling, but it's not cold enough to make you have a disease or body dysfunction. But at least maybe it will affect positively on our environment because in Surah and Revelation in Ayah but not Quran and the word of Rasul in Hadith that when rain is happen, the rezeki, the livelihood will be better rather than there is no especially when there is a rain, the livelihood is more spread to a lot of people. So I don't really mind for the hard rain. And I have to focus on my road because there are a lot of people that using vehicles and it made my way narrow. The first point is my vehicle is bicycle, and the second is because my vehicle is bicycle, it makes me really slow. Then I think it's faster than walking indeed, but it's slower than people that use motorcycle or car. And the third is my fork bicycle, the side front. When you sit in the front, you can see the the thing that you hold to control your cycle and make it go to somewhere that you desire. That look like power. Have two power in the front, and the function is to make our cycle steady and reduce the shock when you get some kind of not reduce, some kind of barrier in the way. And I feel it will be break soon. At least if the bicycle will hold on at least for maybe 2 months or 1 month, but I really worried because in Jatinangor it is I cannot say a mountain, but maybe it's more correct if I say Jatinangor is a place that have a high climb, but it's lower than mountain. In Indonesia, you can say it's a bukit. And when I go to my home, after I done with my major lesson, I will have a lot of easy time to make my bicycle more speedy, make it more faster than when I go to my house, when I go to my college from my house. Because when I go to college from my house, the position is like me going to the pinnacle, the end of the mountain. Yeah, you can imagine it that I need more energy, I need more focus to go to the point that I want. But as I done, I just need to go from the mountain, the pinnacle of the mountain, to lower ground. So it's easier to make it faster. But I worried that the durability of this bicycle is no longer, is not able to hold it any longer. So I need to change it immediately. At the morning, exactly at 8 p.m., I went to a lot of bicycle repair shop, that maybe they can at least replace my fork bicycle, and I don't need to worry about what should I use for my bicycle when I want to go to my major lesson. Maybe some of you want to ask, why do I use bicycle rather than motorcycle? There are a lot of access to biogas, to gasoline that will fuel our motorcycle and go to somewhere that we want without spending a lot of energy and time. The reason that I can use my motorcycle, first, I don't have a lot of privilege to use that motorcycle because my parents is an ojol, someone that drives your item to your home, someone who drives in order to get money from the customer wherever that they want to go, wherever that they want to buy something, and you just need to deliver it. And if this motorcycle, at least it will spend for 24 hours, not 24 hours, 12 or 18 hours. And during that time, I absolutely cannot arrange time with my that ojol time. Different than the school, that you have the same schedule, you have predictable schedule that you can come and without having a worry about the consequences, because you just need to follow the rules that have been applied. In university, you need to be more agile, you need to focus sometimes, because few of the lecture will change their time to the time that we don't expect. Usually they will warn us, hey, do you have other time rather than today, rather than at Saturday in 10 o'clock, but you change it the other time in other day, and we will discuss together which one is the better for us. Even though a lot of us have their own activity because they follow UKM. It's like extra activity for collegians. HIMA, the group that move in one major to achieve few things, and our job is to make sure that our lesson will not be neglected. I forgot what other thing that I want to tell to all of you guys. That's another story. When I asked the repairman shop about my bicycle, they say it will at least spend me for 450,000 rupiah, and that is the price that I really that I will think about it again and again, because it's a lot of money. And the other thing, that the repair shop doesn't have a lot of component that they can use for our bicycle. Okay, so now I want to try to visit one shop, and I hope they have support. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Punten A, jual ini enggak ya? Apa namanya? Fork sepeda. Oh ya, fork sepeda. Oh nggak ada.
Nggak ada.
Oh ya.
Kenapa itu?
Udah mau copot kayaknya, Kang. Udah agak goyang-goyang gitu pas lagi direm tuh.
Coba lihat dulu ya.
Mungkin karena udah lama juga, soalnya kan sepeda dari saya SMP.
Iya. Ini udah kena, ini juga udah kena.
Hmm. Kira-kira yang ada di sebelah mana ya, Kang ya? Ini udah agak muter beberapa kali, cuman pada nggak punya katanya.
Di sana ada nggak? Di bengkel ada. Kampung Baru.
Oh, nggak tahu, nggak pernah ini, nggak pernah lewat kayaknya.
Kali di sana.
Di,
Ya nggak pernah lewat Cibiru, Caringin.
jarang, biasanya cuma lewat Jalan Sayang sama Rancaekek paling.
Paling kalau enggak di yang depan Masjid Al Masum,
Hmm.
seberangnya. Di situ ada biasanya. Iya, ada di situ. Kalau ke Rancaekek, kalau ke Rancaekek nyebrang apa muter dulu?
Oh, saya nyebrang biasanya, langsung nyebrang.
Coba kalau pulang tapi siang, ini udah tutup.
Nah,
Apa? Muter arah, nanti situ kan?
Nah.
Pas muter dari putaran arah itu paling berapa meter? Ada di situ yang sebelah kiri.
oh di sebelah kiri.
Nah,
Kira-kira kalau ganti fork itu berapaan ya, Kang ya?
tergantung lah. Ada yang 200, ada yang 120, ada yang 400, 500 ya. Gitu lah. Oh. Kalau yang kayak gini mah paling 150, 200 lah.
Oh, 200-an ya. Nah,
kayak
ini.
gini. Kalau enggak sih cari aja di online.
Cuma saya nggak tahu cara ngukurnya. Ih, takutnya salah
Ukurannya
ukuran.
ukuran 26 aja.
Anjing.
Nah, ukuran 26 aja udah. Nanti pasangin di sini. Kalau pasang.
Salah.
Ukuran 26 buat apa? Buat ada dudukan cakramnya sini. Cakram.
Ini samping cakramnya.
Kalau enggak beli di online kalau enggak di Facebook ya beli di itu. Di apa namanya?
Tokopedia, Shopee gitu-gitu ya.
Di Facebook banyak yang bekas. Tapi kalau mendingan beli baru aja. Beli baru, Pok 26 yang sesuai ini ada, yang except bawa battery juga ada. Pokoknya kalau Pok 26 udah nggak bakalan gagal.
Oh, udah pasti inilah.
Asal 26 ya dia nyarinya.
Anjing.
Udah pasti inilah.
Baik, kalau misalkan saya pengen ganti nih, pengen sesuai bahannya sama yang ini, kan saya sempat nyari-nyari di internet juga karena mungkin dari referensi tulisannya kan bahannya ada yang besi, ada yang aluminium, sama ada yang apa gitu. Kalau ini maksudnya bahannya aluminium
Besi.
atau besi?
Kalau ini aluminium Pak, frame.
Oh, aluminium frame.
Nah, kalau frame aluminium ya batangnya. Kalau ini besi.
Oh, ini besi.
Jangan coba-coba cari yang aluminium kalau yang gini.
Oh, kenapa?
Pertama mahal, keduanya patah kalau ya rawan lah, namanya
Rawan
aluminium
ini.
sama steel kan beda.
Iya, kalau aluminium lebih ringan, cuman resikonya lebih
Resikonya itu lebih ringan tapi resikonya gitu aja.
anjing.
Lebih mahal lagi. Lebih mahal. Cari aja yang kayak mirip kayak gini paling kalau di online itu antara 150 sampai 200. Ada yang lebih murah juga. Pokoknya yang posisi inilah. Kalau malas ini tinggal fotoin. Pasti kan ada isinya gitu.
Oh iya benar.
Nyarinya gitu. Tapi ukurannya 26.
Ukuran itu kan.
Nah,
Anjing.
jadi ini lingkaran bannya 26. Lingkaran bannya.
Ini banyak juga.
Ada yang 225, ada yang 26. Ini 26 kalau nggak salah.
Terakhir ganti ban sih 26.
26. 26 aja nyarinya di online. Gampang kalau masak lagi.
Ya, ini gitu. Coba dicek dulu.
Nah, cek aja di online.
Ya. Makasih banyak ya. Sama-sama ngabisin waktunya. Mari ya. Just now I visit the other repairman shop, and they don't have the 4 parts of cycle. Maybe the cause is the fork of the cycle just need to be changed for few years or months. This bicycle that I have, that have the black color with few red and silver strip on it, I got it when I was a junior high school, and now I stay in the college for 3 semesters. So the time is around 5. Yeah, senior is 3 years. Junior high school, yeah, you can assume it 3 years. And I have went to the college for at least 1.5 years or 2 years. Estimately, it will the time that I use for this bicycle is between 7 and 8 years. Even though the hard usage that I use, the hard performance, the maximum performance that I use for this bicycle is when I go to the college. When I was junior high school, I never use it for a long distance. I never use it for hiking till that mountain. Lower than mountain, I just forgot what is the name for the item or the thing that I want to say to you guys. And the durability is really amazing. As you have known that I have used this for 7 years, and the thing that I changed for this bicycle is the bicycle pads, the thing that I step on and try to move it with high leg power. And the second thing that I use is the chain, the chain that I have in the bicycle, because the force is too much for the chain to handle. And it's a shame for me to say about this, but I sell them to wash my bicycle. And as you know, when dirt and water get sprayed on the chain that have iron composition and the other mixing, it will make the chain getting rust. And when it gets rusted, the durability will be lower and it have highly chance to break apart, and you can use it. And I have changed the inside of the wheel, the tires for the cycle, at least 2 or 3 tires, and I have changed for the aturan Pak. So on the tire and the skin of the tire, one package, and the, how do you say, ram? Not ram for repeat eye movement, but ram that that you use to stop your vehicle from moving forward. When do you want to? Brake. I just remember brake. I just changed my brake for one time. That's why I think I can change anything that I want. I can use anything that I want if I have the tools for me. I have tools that specifically used on repairing things. At the past, I ever fix some refrigerator. I ever fix iron. I ever fix PC. Even at the time, I just do trial and error again and again until I find the solution, and maybe I still don't understand the concept behind of the fixing. Maybe, just maybe, I have some abilities to make something that's unusable become something that can become something that's useful. Yeah. But now I'm testing and I feel more tired than before, and everything that I do, I hope it will give me a good performance, a good result for my future. I really love theoretically, idealistically, that the thing must be done with few standardization, few objects to measure on. Even though sometimes I don't have ability to do it. In book from Semuanya Bisa Diatur, or kitab Scale Up number 1, tell me when I read it, that behavior is number 1, then the abilities that people have, because people with skill but poor behavior will make our performance broke because their misbehavior, like they make some fuss that our team will be angry, upset, getting more worse performance. But someone with good attitude or behavior can be teach to have some skill that we needed. Even though not everyone that can learn something that we need, because they have their own strength and aspect that they have, not they have that they not also know that they make it as a straight. And maybe finding a partner such in a business, in the college teammate, a broom. It is like finding a mate to get acquired, no, to acquaintance, to get well known and make benefit from each one to another and make some symbiosis mutualism. And maybe, just maybe, someone with good skill may find someone that has a good skill but in other aspect. Yeah, ideally, that I really love when someone could handle my own weakness, my weakness, so I don't need to think about it too much. But in the world, it's seldom for us to get something that we want, that we imagine to get it, unless you do some hard work and life frugality. Because the hard work itself will bring a lot of plus points for people in some cases, because the hardworking people will and always will be try to be the best one, maybe not for himself but for the other people. But their hard work somehow get increased in his own profile. I can see when someone do hima or extra activity outside of the major curriculum, they need to be more wise and choose their own path. Between that, they want to go to the major that they want, following the rules that they have been applied, or try to get something more than the theoretically available in the college. And somehow that will train them to get more closer, getting more bond, having a lot of conversation, negotiation, and offer something better. Something better. Aduh, this fear are natural for human to feel inferior when they cannot do something that other people do, or it is just a demon that make our belief and our thoughts to be negative. Maybe we will find some event or activity that make you think bad stuff. That stuff, and somehow it leads you or assaults you to do something evil, and you did it, and then you feel embarrassed. But after a long time, you repeat it, the sense of the guiltiness lost in your body, and you will do anything that will make you best or to the best, even in a bad way or a good way. I'm not really sure. Nowadays, there are a lot of information that you can access from internet, from book, or from other media, and they tell you about something that maybe it's theoretically true or theoretically false. There are some people that want to define something and make it the true value. That if they do something beside of the value, it will be the villain, or it will be something that make the people look something bad. View it as a good thing with few reasons that hopefully their mind will accept it. Oh my god, I really feel a little tired, and inshallah it will maghrib soon, so at least I can break my fasting, not big fast, and have my dinner. I wonder how the old people live in such difficult situation, unlike the modern era that they have everything that provide you with the easy life. Everything is made to be easier and easier, so you don't have to think so much about it. You just need one key, the money, the secret in the civilization, and you can just buy it and use it. Again, why in some cases that the system is made somehow it will take someone from yourself to be richer and the poor one to be poorer. Even though they are the same kind of human, they live together in the same world, but they have different skills, they have different mindset. So maybe you can say the thing that Patrick says is true, that the world is unfair and you need to adjust yourself to be able to survive in the world. Someone who didn't make the thing, someone who didn't make the value for the item, somehow still get benefit from our society. When they got argued or something, somehow they make the crowd messes to divide the opinion, whether the opinion is bad or good, and something is not desirable, suitable for their own goals. They will make it to be more comfortable for them. But a lot of the history says that everything has its own end. They have their own limit, whether it's fast or not. When you find it in the religion, it is said that something that will happen, it will be called short time, and something that will happen and never will happen is called a long time. Maybe it's because however or how long the time you have, when you use it, it will reach the end. It will reach, in some cases, to be short, and you'll not be able to use it again. And this limit for our living on is unknown. No one will able to tell when will they die, when will they be rich, or when they will be poor. Even though maybe someone that really care about their healthy do everything that they can do to keep their healthy, to keep their health. They will find in some aspect that they can make it better than before. Yeah, you can say when you are weak, you created to be strong after you are being weak, and after you are being strong, you will be weak again. Like when you are born, when you were born in the world, the baby can lick hand, walk, hope for the parent feed the baby and teach the baby about everything in the world so they can survive. Then after they being adult, they can make a lot of things, create something from nothing to something, and getting privilege from it. And after a few years, they will lose it again. A yacht that they ever feel will not return to them. I never see someone that has age for 40, 50, 60, 70 to have a good physique like a young one. But I also never see that the young one able to what? Yeah, maybe that's enough for today because I have arrived to my home, and I hope I can see you guys again pretty soon. Maybe I will tell you guys some stories about my project. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.